Okay, in this next example, we want to really consider all the possibilities for systems of equations. This is a very special system of equations. And what I'm going to do is, using elimination, I'm either going to eliminate x1 and x1 in the first equation with x1 in the second equation, or I'm going to eliminate x2 from this first equation with x2 in the second equation. There are several ways of doing that. I think what I'm going to go ahead and do, I think probably what's more natural is to go ahead and, let's just say I'm going to eliminate the x1. And I notice that negative 3 multiplied by 2 is negative 6. So my idea is to multiply equation 2 by the number 2. So the first equation doesn't change, but the second equation does change. That's negative 3 times 2 is negative 6x1. 5 times 2 is positive 10x2. And positive 2 times positive 8 is positive 16. Now something interesting happens here, because my aim was to eliminate x1, and indeed 6 plus negative 6 is 0. But notice that x2 from the first equation and the second equation are also being eliminated. The left-hand side is 0. But when I add the right-hand sides of both equations, I get 0 plus 16. And that is clearly not true. What that means is that it's impossible to find values for x1 and x2 to plug in into both equations simultaneously and get the same number. It's just as possible as 0 would be equal to 16. So there's no solution, or equivalently, I can also say, so there's no solution, and in linear algebra we say the system is inconsistent. And that just simply means that there's no solution. There is a third possibility of something that can happen when you're solving systems of equations. We've seen one example where there was exactly one solution. Now, although you should probably notice that this is, although I have two different numbers, x1 and x2, the combination of these two fractions is a solution, taken together, is a solution to the system. That's one solution which consists of two different coordinates. And in the next video, we'll do one more video to show one more possibility when solving systems of equations.